How to transfer ticket from Ticketmaster to SeatGeek. Welcome back to Glitz Sorcerer, and let's get right into this video. So for this, you actually have to keep your ticket on sale from your Ticketmaster. This is because Ticketmaster currently does not have a direct option of transferring your ticket to another app. So for this, just go ahead and keep your ticket on sale. You can create a listing on your SeatGeek for the event and tickets you want to sell. Once it has been purchased, then you can transfer your ticket to the buyer. In here, you can add the recipient details, that is the first name, last name, the email address, and optional message if you want to. Then just tap on the send button. The buyer will get an email notification from Ticketmaster to accept the transfer. Once they accept, the ticket will be transferred to their Ticketmaster or the SeatGeek account. Once it is done, from your SeatGeek, you can easily accept it by checking your inbox. Then it can be found in the promotion, junk, or spam folders. Then just tap on your ticket. Then all you have to do is accept the offer. By this way, you'll be able to transfer a ticket from a Ticketmaster to SeatGeek. And it's a wrap for the video as well. Thank you so much for tuning in. We'll see you very soon.